Tommy Polytechnic College, Bassar. Direct or APJEE. Admissions for 3 years Diploma Engineering in Civil, EEE and CSE. Scholarship benefits from government. Campus interview in selected departments by South Indian Management.
Tribal lives matter, Adivasis' lives matter, and women's rights matter. I'm calling out the sexual violence, I'm calling out patriarchy and toxic masculinity that celebrates violence. I'm calling out also the culture of impunity that people in power enjoy. We need speedy trial and justice for the Dalit family in Hathras. We call out the upper caste men in administration who has burned the girl's body without the family's consent and presence. If this isn't Gunda Raj, what is? When system fails, we have to ask, because the system is meant to protect us, not for those in power. And definitely not for the criminals. The Chief Minister of UP must resign and the family must be delivered justice. I also call out the police in Arunachal Pradesh. Since 2017, my family and I have been struggling. We have called out Arunachal police and their attitude towards the lawlessness in the state. I call them out today again and remind them of their duty towards the citizens of this state. And I hope next month, when I have my father's third anniversary, you will also come out protesting against injustice, protesting against lawlessness, protesting against the human rights violations. At the same time, I would also like to highlight the women's position in Arunachal society. People think women in Arunachal enjoy a better position, but I think we as activists on the ground, writers and researchers, we know what women go through here, and it is all the more imperative that we talk about this. Keeping silent on such issues are not going to eradicate this patriarchal menace, and I think as women, as men, we all should come out and condemn this patriarchal practice that is not giving women the equal position in this society.
Through social media information for this support solidarity meeting for Manisha Valmiki and all the other victims of casteist violence against Dalits and minorities of India, please form a young Arunachali group who are against sodomy of boys, who are against sexual exploitation of children, who are against domestic violence in our households, who are against all gender violence and violence against poor and the helpless. तो आप लोग आगे ले चलिए और हम लोग हमेशा, at least I can say at my age, my blessings are all with you. Thank you very much. God bless you. And please take जो हमने एक्सपीरियंस किया, हमारे एल्डर्स कोई साथ नहीं देता था. कल रात को मैसेज भेजा सोशल मीडिया, थैंक्स टू फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम एंड एवरीथिंग, व्हाट्सअप, आप लोग यहाँ गैदर कर सका. एंड वी आर ग्रेटफुल टू टेक्नोलॉजी ऑल्सो. At least like-minded people are here. I'm so proud of all of you. As a mother, as a grandmother, as an aunt, as an elder, please keep the spirit up. And when we are saying UP में ये हो रहा है, राजस्थान में वो हो रहा है, बिहार में ये है, and as many of you have said, in each of our households, in each of our families and within the clans, अभी recently also I got a message कि मैम मेरा sister in law का husband ने उनका एक 10 years old जिसको अपना कपड़ा तक पहनना नहीं आता है, खरीदना तो छोड़ दो, 10 years old को रेप किया. यहाँ हम 6 months old बेबीज़ को रेप होता है. क्या करेगा? लेकिन वो नहीं है. So it's very important हमारा बच्चों को good touch, bad touch के बारे में सिखाना है. Now since many parents even living in Itanagar, most of them are so innocent, so ignorant. So it is the more aware neighbors, siblings who have to teach our youngers, the little one.
Not only that, but also what is important for us to remember is the fact that when such kind of activities, anti-social, anti-human activities are being ingrained in a mind, in a psychology, as an ideology, जब एक सोच के तरह हम इसको ले जाते हैं, then there comes the problem. Apart from the physical torture that we give to our mother, our sisters and our daughters. Why अरुणाचल में, इंडिया में डेवलपमेंट क्यों नहीं होता है? That's what I keep saying. India में डेवलपमेंट क्यों नहीं? Basis of religion, we keep on fighting on the basis of language, we keep on fighting on the basis of region, and more importantly, we keep on fighting on the basis of caste. आप upper caste है, आप lower caste है. And that mentality to teach a lower caste community or lower caste family a lesson, what you do? You rape a girl and woman. That is being done in India today. And in Arunachal Pradesh, development क्यों नहीं होता यहाँ में? क्योंकि we keep on fighting on the basis of region, on the basis of tribe, and most importantly on the basis of clan. Nani है, Ite है, Norang है. Because of that, the development that we don't see today, what is expected to should have been there in Arunachal Pradesh. Now, dear friends, what is to be done now? What is to be done now? I'm very, very optimistic about the future of Arunachal Pradesh because of upcoming activism and upcoming activists. I'm a teacher. I'm not supposed to participate in this kind of activities actually. Yes, but true theoretical things are concerned.